How to set verbosity preset to high, custom or low on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility, then tap on TalkBack. After that, we go down and tap on settings, then tap on verbosity. Now in here, tap on choose a preset, and from the pop-up you can choose between high, custom or low. Select one of the available options, and that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.